Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom Channel. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about the techniques to buy a house in your 20s. Many starter home programs are available to young people just starting on their own. Someone in their 20s can own a house, and it's not as hard as you think. By researching and getting help from a knowledgeable real estate agent, you can be well on your way to becoming a homeowner. In this video, Success Wisdom will show you some techniques that will help make the process much easier and less stressful. So whether you're just starting your career or having been saving for years, stay tuned because we have some great techniques for you. Technique number 1, start saving money as soon as you can. When buying a house, the sooner you start saving, the better. Ideally, it would be best to start putting money away as soon as you earn a steady income. However, if you didn't start saving in your 20s, don't worry, it's never too late to start. The most important thing is to create a budget and make sure you are automatically transferring a fixed percentage of your income into savings each month. The next step is to make extra payments on your mortgage whenever possible. Even an extra $50 per month can make a big difference in the life of a loan. Lastly, start saving for a down payment. Aim to have at least 10% of the purchase price. This will help you qualify for better mortgage terms. By following these simple tips, you can quickly build up the savings you need to buy your first home. Technique number 2, get a stable job with a steady income. Purchasing a house can be daunting, especially for first-time buyers. 20-somethings may feel like they need to accomplish a lot before they're ready to take on such a big financial responsibility. However, with careful planning and preparation, buying a house in one's 20s is achievable. One of the first things to do is get a stable job with a steady income. This will give lenders confidence that you can make mortgage payments on time. Technique number 3, research the market and find the right neighborhood for you. In buying a house, always remember, location is critical. You want to find a neighborhood that you feel comfortable with and meets your needs. Researching the market and finding out what kind of neighborhoods are available in your price range is part of the process. Once you've narrowed your options, take some time to drive around and get a feel of each area. Talk to people who live there and get their opinion on the neighborhood. Once you've found a few promising candidates, it's time to start looking at houses. Once again, location is essential. Look for a house close to amenities like shops and restaurants, as well as schools and parks. Pay attention to the condition of the homes in the area and surrounding your neighborhoods. With a little bit of research, you should be able to find the perfect neighborhood for you. Technique number 4, have a realistic budget and stick to it. Deciding to purchase a home is a significant financial milestone and should not be taken lightly. If you're in your 20s and considering buying a house, there are a few things you need to keep in mind to make sure you're making a wise financial decision. First, it's essential to have a realistic budget. Often, people underestimate the costs associated with owning a home, from the mortgage payments to the cost of upkeep and repair. It's crucial to clearly understand all the expenses you will be taking on before you make an offer on a property. Once you have a budget in place, it's essential to stick to it. It can be easy to get caught up in the excitement of buying a home and spend more than you'd initially planned. By being mindful of your budget and sticking to it, you can avoid making any financial mistakes that could jeopardize your ability to purchase your dream home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Technique number 5, check your credit score. Your credit score is one of the most important factors lenders will consider when applying for a mortgage. A good credit score will help you get a lower interest rate, while a bad credit score can result in a higher interest rate or even being denied a loan altogether. If you're considering buying a house in your 20s, it's essential to check your credit score and ensure it's in good shape. There are a few ways to do this. First, order a copy of your credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus. You can also use a free online service like Credit Karma or sign up for a paid service like MyFICO. Once you know your credit score, you can start working on improving it if necessary. This may involve paying off any outstanding debts, making all your payments on time, and maintaining a good credit history. Technique number 6, get pre-approved. When purchasing a property, one of the most important things you have to do is get pre-approved for a loan. This simple process lets you know exactly how much money you will take to work with and gives you the peace of mind of knowing that you are approved for financing. Getting pre-approved is relatively easy and can be done through your bank or credit union. The process usually involves completing a short application and providing basic financial information. Once you are pre-approved, you will receive a letter outlining the terms of your loan and the maximum amount you are eligible to borrow. This letter will come in handy when it comes time to make an offer on a property. A pre-approval letter will show the seller that you are a serious buyer, ready to move forward with the purchase. It can also give you an edge over the other buyers who do not have financing in place. Technique number 7, make an offer on a house that meets your needs. If you're in your 20s and looking to buy a house, you can do a few things to increase your chances of success. One technique is making an offer on a home that meets your needs and is within your budget. This means being realistic about the type of house you can afford and being willing to compromise on features that are important to you but not essential. Technique number 8, attend open houses and meet with real estate agents. Another technique that can be used when trying to buy a house in your 20s is attending open houses. This can give you a better idea of what kind of houses are available in your price range and what kind of features you may be interested in. Meeting with real estate agents can also be beneficial, as they can provide information on homes that are not currently listed on the market. It is important to remember, however, that finding the right home can take time. Therefore, it is essential not to rush into a decision and to take your time to ensure that you make the best possible choice for your future. If you are in your 20s and looking to buy a house, we hope the tips in this video have been helpful. Remember, purchasing a home is a big decision that should not be taken lightly. Do your research, consult with experts, and weigh your options before making a purchase. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you liked this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.